Good morning, students. In previous video, I taught you types of notice, some important tips, and format of the notice. I hope that I I hope that all of you will have learned what I taught you yesterday. Today, I am going to tell you some more important information or tips about it. Dear students, while you are going to write notice for meeting, you should keep these details in your mind. Or you may say that you have to remember these details while you are going to write notice about for meeting. The first important thing is that who has called it. First of all, you have to describe it who is the organizer of the meeting or who is the authority of the meeting. Second, date, time and duration. You have to describe about date, time and duration when the meeting is going to be taking place. Third is venue. Venue means the place where the meeting is going to be taken place. You have to describe about the venue. Venue means the place where this meeting is going to be taking place. The next point is purpose of the meeting. You have to give a detailed description about the meeting, why this meeting is to be organized. And the next point is who to attend. Means in this line you have to write the details of persons or department to attend. Means who is able to attend this meeting or who is not able to attend this meeting. For the next point is for further details contact person with designation. Means you have to write your last sentence, or you may say that your closing sentence must be for further details please contact the undersigned. In place of this sentence you can write any other sentence also. This is the important tips for the notice writing for meeting. The next, I am going to tell you notice for lost or found. When you are going to notice about lost or found, what will you have to write in this notice? I am going to tell you. Number first is article lost or found. You have to write, you have to describe that it must be your first sentence. First of all, you have to know that it must be your first sentence, and you should write your last or found article. Any article you have lost your article or found any article. Second is date, time and place. You have to describe about that where you last or found the article. Means you have to write your second sentence where you last or found this object. Number third is identification marks. You have to give description of the article like its color, size, model, etc. etc. You have to describe your article, its color, model or size. The next thing is declare about reward. Means you can declare a suitable gift or reward for the person who returns that article, object or product. You have to describe, you have to write in the last of the sentence, your last sentence should be about a reward. Thanks.